how to set up a free Spotify account from your computer. Okay, so navigate your way to the website, which is spotify.com. That's spotify.com. Once you get to the website, you should navigate to the button that says Get Spotify Free. If you don't immediately see it at the top, just keep scrolling down until you see it. Click on that. Okay, so you'll be prompted to do it, to log in two different ways. You can either log in with your Facebook. So if you just click sign up with your Facebook, then you can sign up that way. Or if you don't want to sign up with Facebook, you can just use your regular email address. So I'm just going to use mine. Just confirm it. Fill in the rest of your details. Okay, this is optional here. We're just asking if you want to share your registration details with Spotify's content providers. I'm just going to leave that alone. Click on I'm not a robot and parking meters. Okay, and then at the end, just click on sign up. It should automatically download the file for you. For me, it has here in the bottom left hand corner. Depending on your browser, it could be at the bottom left hand corner or at the top right hand corner, depending on your browser. So click on the file. It should start the installer straight away. So it's just downloading. Okay, so this window appears once the software has been installed. You want to log in with the same login details that you've put in before. And then click on login. Okay, congratulations. You have registered with Spotify from your browser and installed the software and logged in to your Spotify account. Also, please don't forget to like the video, share it, and also please subscribe for more videos.